Hello and good morning. So today I'm just going to take you on a wee journey. I'm getting ready to head over to Rubber Ground where I do my trials. Got a bridal trial today at 11 and then I'm going to FTT to get some Botox. Look at that. Has to go now. So I'm like an accordion. So I can't wait. I'm going to the clinic at 1 o'clock and you can see the procedure getting done. And then tomorrow morning, vanishing the grey. All good. Ready to get back out and preparing for the countdown to my big 5, which is crap. But anyway, hey ho, it is what it is. So I'll check in with you soon. Hello, so here's my makeup room. Bit of glamour on the right. And this is where you come for your makeup trial. This is all my thank you cards that I've had over the years, which I'm very chuffed about. I can't bear to take them down, even though they're getting old looking. I still love them being there. And this is my big mirror. So my bride today is going to sit here. And yeah, we'll do a look for her. Usually takes about an hour and a half, and until she's happy we'll work on her look and talk about her dress and her style for the day, etc. Various bits and pieces here, here's some brides have done. And this is the view out front. Big massive trees, so it's very private. Here's the rest of the bed for now. She loved it also, she loved it. And her reading is on 23rd of July, so we're all set. Hello, here I am at FTT and I'm just getting marked up for my injections. And Paula is doing this today. Hi Paula.
Hello.
And Frances is right here too. Frances, where are you? There she is.
All
So
good.
yeah, let's just see how easy this is. Okay,
Yeah,
go for it.
simple. So if you just raise your brow for me and just look straight ahead. So what Paula's doing is just marking out the areas in your face, and that's your frontalis muscle, and this is your, what we call the glabella. It's made up of 3 muscles. See this, and the corrugators, like a bird, a seagull.
Okay.
So there's your corrugators. You've got quite strong facial muscles.
Excellent.
So this is what in old money we'd call 3 areas of Botox. So we tend to prescribe by the vial and treat what we see in the upper face. So we might put some in the top of your nose here as well if you need it. Okay.
So we're midway through. Paula's been working across my forehead. So yeah, in the middle. And here she goes. She's going to just the crow's feet. Let's banish these. It's easy and it's quick and it's so effective. I love it. I don't realise how much I want or need Botox until I've had it again, and then I think, how did I cope without having it? Because it really just gives my eyes a lift here. It smooths this area, but it doesn't smooth it completely. I don't want it to. I don't want it to be that overdone Botoxy look, which I just don't think is a good look for anybody. So yes, I try to keep it quite minimal for Botox, and they always do an amazing job there, so that's where I tend to always go. Yeah, so I'm excited, and there's not really any aftercare or anything I have to worry about. You just keep the area clean and let it do its thing. So yeah, I will speak to you guys soon. I've got a set of brows today, which I'm excited to do. As much as they're difficult, I absolutely love doing it. To see the results, it's so worth it. It takes about an hour and a half to 2, depending on the client, depending on their skin type, etc, etc. So I'm just gonna. This is my lovely scrub. Nice. And yeah, my tattoo room, which I've shown you before, but this is where it all happens. Hi, so I've just finished that lady's brows and it went so well. She's a fair-headed lady, so I did a nice kind of mid to dark blonde through her brows and little hair strokes. So yeah, just looks like natural brows, and she's really happy, so I'm really pleased. It just gave her a lovely framing to the eyes, really. And it's definitely is kind of makes older ladies look younger when they have it done, because they have got that lovely frame. So yeah, I'm pleased. As difficult as it is to do them, it's very worthwhile and satisfying once you've got there. If it was easy, I mean, how can tattooing your eyebrows be easy? It's just not. But very enjoyable. I have to say, I do love it, so that's good. And tomorrow I have a very big wedding. I'm in the Central Hotel in Glasgow. I'm in there pretty early on, so I'm going to prep for that soon and get my kit ready. Check I've got enough lashes, etc, etc. And yeah, and get an early night because it's a very early start. So I will check in soon and let you know how things are going. So toodaloo. Good morning. So I'm off to work today. I'm working in the Central Hotel, and I have four girls today. This is a family I've known for like ever. I've done like both daughters' weddings. Today's the brothers. Mum's various, like I've done their 30th, their 40th, the mum's 60th. So it's quite nice to see familiar faces. I love that at work. So yeah, I'm getting a lift today because you can't park in town, obviously. And I'll check back in when I get there. Hello, how are you doing? That's me just done. That's about 12 o'clock. I had 4 people, so that was quite a quick morning. They didn't want me to film inside the room, so I didn't. But yeah, went well. I've known them for a long time, so it was good fun. And that is me done for the week. I am finished until Monday. So have a good weekend. Although by the time you see this, it will be the weekend. But anyway, toodaloo.